Neither Klover nor MoneyLion can guarantee a faster deposit for every user, because transfer speed depends on your account eligibility, the delivery option you choose, your bank, and each app's processing status. By the end of this video, you'll know what affects deposit times on both apps, and how to decide which one is likely to get money into your account sooner. If you're comparing Klover and MoneyLion based on deposit speed, start by understanding that approval and deposit are two separate steps. An advance must first be approved before either app can begin sending funds to your bank account. Even if approval happens quickly, the actual deposit still depends on how the transfer is processed. With Klover, you'll need to connect a supported bank account, complete any required identity verification, and qualify for an advance before a transfer can begin. Once the request is approved, the deposit timeline depends on the delivery option available to your account and your bank's processing schedule. MoneyLion follows a similar process. Your account must be eligible. Your bank account must be connected successfully, and any required verification must be completed before funds are sent. After the transfer is initiated, your financial institution may still need additional time to post the deposit to your account. Instead of assuming one app is always faster, compare the delivery options shown inside both apps after you're approved. If you've already created accounts with Klover and MoneyLion, check the estimated delivery information provided before confirming the advance. That estimate is much more useful than relying on someone else's experience because it reflects your own account. To avoid unnecessary delays, make sure your banking information is accurate, your account has completed verification, and you're using the latest version of each app. Outdated account information or a failed bank connection can slow down the process regardless of which service you choose. If your advance has already been approved but the deposit hasn't arrived, check the transfer status inside the app before requesting another advance. If the status doesn't change after allowing time for bank processing, contact the app support team with your account information and the details of the transfer so they can investigate the delay. To recap, neither Klover nor MoneyLion is consistently faster for every user. Deposit speed depends on approval, account verification, the transfer option selected, and your bank's processing time. The fastest choice is usually the app that has already verified your account and displays the quickest delivery estimate for your specific request. If this comparison helped you choose between Klover and MoneyLion, like the video and subscribe for more app comparisons, troubleshooting guides, and personal finance tutorials.